stunning homes, crafted by skilled tradesmen with a vision for quality, premium design and modern, comfortable living. Homes that have a finish and flair to rival the highest of quality homes. Uncompromised quality and style. It's no wonder our homes win awards. And with all the convenience of modular construction, homes are built strong, ready for WA's harsh conditions. Delivered to anywhere right across our state. Our focus on sustainability means a 10-year structural guarantee. Create your own design or build one of ours. To see the range and walk through our homes, visit our Wayne McGrath Display Centre. Discover our inclusions and quality trusted brands. You'll find our team are ready to help you build a stunning home for even the most remote of locations. Modular WA.